International human resource management is an important function for multinational corporations because it involves managing employees from different countries' culture and backgrounds. International human resource management helps organizations coordinate their global workforce and achieve business objectives across international markets. For this report, we conducted an interview with an HR Administration Service Officer from AZA. The interview focused on the company's international human resource practices, particularly in managing expatriate employees. Through this interview, we gained valuable insights into how a multinational company handles workforce diversity and international assignments. AZA is a multinational company headquartered in France. Although AZA is widely recognized as an insurance company, its operation in Malaysia mainly focus on providing IT and security-related services. The Malaysian branch serves as a regional hub that imports IT security operations across Asia. It plays an important role in assisting the company's activities in several countries, including Singapore, Indonesia, Morocco, and Spain. This demonstrates AZA's strong international presence and highlights the importance of effective human resource management in coordinating employees across different locations. According to the interviewee, approximately 70% of AZA Malaysia's workforce consists of local employees, while 30% are expatriates. Currently, the company employs around 60 expatriates in Malaysia in compliance with local regulations. These expatriates contribute valuable international expertise, knowledge, and experience that support the organization's regional operations. Therefore, managing expatriates effectively is an important responsibility of the HR department.
International compensation. AASA Insurance provides expatriates with compensation packages that are generally similar to local employees, but with additional allowances to support international relocation. These include relocation, housing, travel, and cost of living allowance, as well as medical and insurance coverages for expatriates and their families. The company applies a house-based pay system, meaning expatriates are compensated according to Malaysian statutory requirements, including taxation and deductions. Salaries that are structured based on job grading levels such as executive, senior executive, and manager. The company also emphasizes international activity by ensuring expatriates and local employees in similar roles falls within the same salary range. However, challenges arise due to differences in taxation system and regulations across countries, which require coordination with external tax consultants. From an IHRM perspective, AASA Insurance compensation strategy reflects key theoretical principles. The use of a host-based pay system ensures alignment with local labor laws and support internal consistency and cost efficiency, as highlighted in IHRM literature. Elements such as housing, relocation, and cost of living support are standard expatriates compensation practices that have reduced the challenges of international assignments. The company also shows flexibility by adjusting compensation in cases of currency or exchange rate differences. In addition, international taxation is identified as a major challenge in expatriates management. AASA Insurance addresses this by engaging external tax specialists to ensure compliance across both home and host countries. Overall, the company demonstrates strong alignment with IHRM principles such as equity, expatriate support, and legal compliance.
International performance management. The company uses structured performance management system for both expatriates and local employees. Performance is evaluated based on the key performance indicators or KPIs, and organizations' goal review are conducted throughout the year and formally assessed annually. This approach ensures fairness, consistency, and equal treatments regardless of nationality. Then the expatriates are mainly evaluated through KPI achievement and organization's goal. The immediate line manager usually conduct the assessments because they closest monitors the employee's daily performance. Depending on the assignments, evaluations may also involve managers from the home country and senior executive from headquarters to ensure alignments with corporate objectives. Managing expatriates come with several challenges. One major challenge is cultural adjustments, where employees must adapt to different workplace norms and values. Communications barriers and geographical distance can also create difficult. Additionally, employees from different countries may have different expectations regarding work-life balance, requiring managers to coordinate international operations carefully. The company continues monitor expatriates' performance, especially during the first year of assignments. Employees who face performance difficulties are placed under a performance improvement plan or PIP, which usually lasts between 3 and 6 months. The focus is on coaching and support rather than punishment, helping employees improve before any disciplinary actions is considered. Technology plays an important role in the company performance management practice. A digital system is used to monitor employees' goals, track KPIs, and conduct appraisal. The company has also introduced AI tools that help managers analyze performance data and make more informed decisions. This improves efficiency and consistency across different countries. To support expatriates, the company provides several adjustments programs. One important initiative is the buddy system, where a colleague assists the expatriates before and after relocations. The company also conducts inductions program for familiars expatriates with organizational cultures and workplace expectations. These measures help employees adapt more quickly and perform effectively. The findings strongly support several IHRM theory. First, the company applies fairness and consistency by using the same performance standards for expatriates and local employees. Second, the changes of cultural adjustments with align Black Mendenhall and others expatriate adjustments theory. Finally, the use of digital system and AI demonstrate the growing importance of technology in modern international HR management. Overall, the company practice contributes to success expatriate assignments and organizational performance.
Next is focusing on how AXA manage international industrial relations. As a global insurance giant headquarters in France, AXA operates in vastly different markets, including Spain, Morocco, Singapore, and right here in Malaysia. Because employment laws, taxes, and pension schemes vary widely by country, AXA cannot use a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, they use a geocentric strategy, maintaining overall corporate standards while relying on local legal teams and HR business partners to stay compliant on the ground. The biggest difference we see is a trade union power. In Europe, especially France, labor unions are highly active and aggressive in protecting worker rights. In Malaysia, unions' influence is much lower and the focus shifts to direct government laws and internal company policies. Even daily perks change. France gives much more annual vacation time while Malaysia has more public holidays. AXA handles this with a hybrid approach. A core company values stay the same but benefits adapt locally to avoid legal trouble. Overall, AXA's strategy is highly effective. They use three main tools: local legal experts to ensure compliance, HR business partners to solve workplace friction early, and a formal HR ticketing system to resolve employee issues quickly and fairly. However, cross-border management always has challenges like language barriers, cultural differences, and shifting laws. For example, the Malaysian HR team must constantly communicate with the French headquarters just to stay aligned on changing local as per regulations.
Our interview revealed several important international HRM challenges faced by AXA in Malaysia. First, the company managed a diverse workforce consisting of approximately 70% local employees and 30% expatriates, requiring HR to effectively manage cultural diversity. Cross-cultural differences create challenges in communication and workplace expectations. For example, French expatriates generally maintain strict work-life boundaries, while local employees may have different approach to flexibility and collaboration. Another challenge is communication between Malaysia and France due to the time zone difference, making coordination and scheduling more difficult. Finally, the HR department must continuously ensure compliance with Malaysian labor law and expatriates employee pass requirements. The interview finding can be explained using established IHM theories. Positive cultural dimensions theory highlight how difference in individualism and collectivism influence employees' attitude towards work-life balance and workplace behavior. In addition, AXA buddy system reflect that expatriate adjustment model by supporting expatriate in adapting to the Malaysian working environment and reducing cultural adjustment challenges. Based on these findings, we recommend strengthening cross-cultural training programs, improving cultural communication between international office, enhancing expatriate support system, and ensuring continuous compliance with changing labor regulations. This initiative will help AXA balance global business objectives with local operation needs.